Hey there, let me show you quickly what's my master chain for an EDM song.
Don't be fooled by the rocks that I got. I'm still Jenny from the block. Used to have a little, now I have a lot. No matter where I go, I know where I came from.
Every time the first plugin is an SSL EQ. This way, I'm able to do the final adjustments on my master regarding the frequencies. Then I have an L1 limiter. Sometimes I use it, but in this particular case, it's just on 0. Then I'm using the DPR 402 from Waves. This plugin is amazing and increases the width of the master. The Oxford Inflator for some saturation and for some clipping. The Brainworks Master Desk. With this plugin, I'm controlling better the dynamics, but also the tone. As you can see, I'm also adding a bit of a stereo enhancement just to increase the width of the track. The Brainworks BXL V2. It's an amazing mastering limiter, and I'm using it for mids and for sides to control them better. This brings me to the next plugin. It's another plugin by Brainworks and the Plugin Alliance. I'm using it only for the stereo width, and I'm increasing again the width of the track. Then I'm using the Brainworks V3. It's an amazing mid-side EQ that always helps me control better the low information in the mid section and the sides as well, EQ-wise. So yeah, I'm using it always. If I was using the V2 for dynamics, this one I'm using it for the EQ purpose. Then my final mastering compressor from UAD, the Capital Mastering. It's an amazing plugin, but you really have to use it.